Okay guys, going to show you today, so obviously the gloss black in the car is standard. We're going to show you the carbon fibre overlays, got one for each side. So basically dead easy. You're going to clean it with an alcohol wipe. Now you can use a primer on this, but just bear in mind the primer will leave the dash like a dull finish, so obviously if you're ever going to take it off or change it, it's not advisable. It's a dead lightweight piece, so this is sufficient. So we just clean it with the alcohol wipe, roughly where the glue is going. Like so. Let that evaporate a bit. It's a bit slow in here today. And then it's just a case of peeling the red tape. And there you go, carbon fibre dashboard. You can get these on our website. We do them in normal carbon and forged carbon. www.KillAllChrome.com. Keep liking, subscribing, sharing, etc. Until next time.